Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Cash Forex Group. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. CFX, or Cash Forex Group, is an online membership-based trading academy and e-learning platform that introduces new traders to the markets through copy trading and expert advisors. It is a registered company that was founded in 2019 by Huasca Lopez and has offices based in Panama City. Cash Forex Group consists of an international team of experts in project management and financial markets. The team behind CFX has more than 15 years of industry experience, and they have specifically designed trading programs using advanced expert advisors to improve the success rates of traders globally. By joining CFX, you will get access to a variety of beginner to advanced trading courses that will teach you everything you need to know about trading on the foreign exchange markets. The CFX community has thousands of members from over 70 countries worldwide, and more than 40,000 payouts have successfully been made through the CFX algorithms. CFX combines automated trading systems with high-quality educational programs to make the foreign exchange markets more accessible to all types of traders and investors globally. These courses will give you a much deeper understanding of how to analyze the markets, how to read charts and identify trends, and how to develop and execute complex trading strategies. This company primarily focuses on forex trading because not only is the foreign exchange market open 24 hours a day, but it is the largest online market in the world, and more than $5 trillion is traded daily on average. CFX has physical offices where classes are held, but this company also offers one-on-one training and a variety of self-study, expert-assisted trading courses. CFX's academy provides a wide variety of video tutorials, live webinars, interactive quizzes, and ebooks. There are several benefits to learning online. You can access your curriculum anytime you like. Learn when it is best for you, and watch videos directly from your tablet, phone, or laptop. The CFX membership will give you access to 3 levels of interactive trading courses, and each level has multiple plans that you can subscribe to. The most basic plans are the introductory academy plans that will teach you the basics of trading, along with some technical concepts and tips on reading charts. The Academy plan teaches you how to trade, and once you know how trading works, you can deposit real money and activate one of the trading contracts. Once you understand the basics, you can move on to the Elemental plans. There are 5 plans to choose from on this level, and deposits range from $210 to $2,100. There are 5 advanced plans and 5 Supreme plans that are designed for more experienced traders. The Advanced and Supreme plans have larger trade pools, and deposits range from $3,500 to $70,000. In addition to these plans offered, this company also has a YouTube channel with more than 34,000 subscribers and hundreds of videos that you can watch to learn more about trading through the CFX platform. The CFX Leadership Program is similar to a referral program, where one person invites other people to join the broker, and everyone benefits from joining through that one person. To qualify for the CFX Rewards plan, a member is required to own an active trade contract. Without a current trade contract, none of the bonuses will accumulate on a member's account. The other bonus you can earn is a uni-level bonus, which awards 50% of the Academy product sales to the leader of a team. CFX uses a ranking system that is based on teams. Each leader has a team, and every new team member purchases a trade contract that adds personal group volume, or PGV, to the team. For each $2 invested by any team member on a trade contract, 1 PGV is acquired. Each trade contract has a specific amount of PV points, starting from 150 points on Academy Pack 90, all the way up to 50,000 points on Academy Pack 30,000. At CFX, there is no limit to the number of members who can join a team under one leader, and there are several types of bonus offerings. All active trade contracts have the potential to earn both bear capital and bull capital. Bear capital is earned from the trading pool deposit as well as the forced matrix. The forced matrix bonus is derived from the 20% withdrawal fee, and 50% of the withdrawal fee pays the forced matrix bonuses. Bull capital is earned from any or all of the other reward plan bonuses, except the commissions earned from bear capital. The fast start bonus is derived from 50% of the CFX Academy product purchase and contributes to your bull capital. The matching matrix bonus is derived from 20% withdrawal fee, and 10% of the withdrawal fee pays the matching matrix bonus. The global leadership bonus is derived from the 20% withdrawal fee, and 40% of the withdrawal fee pays the global leadership bonus. The matching matrix bonus and global leadership bonus contribute towards the bull capital of each member's trade contract. In order to become a user of CFX and activate your trade contract, a processing fee may be charged. The processing fee will depend on the course you choose and the trade contract you intend on activating. Anytime you make a withdrawal from your CFX account, a 20% withdrawal fee will be charged. If you cancel your CFX trade contract before the end of the first week, 70% of your capital will be returned. After the first 7 days, your refund will be less, and there is a 20% fee for early cancellations. The remaining 30% is non-refundable, as it pays towards the Academy for the course you purchased. In order to create an account with CFX, you will need to receive a referral code in order to sign up. You can do so by clicking on the register button and submitting your referral code. In most cases, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. Account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. Overall, highly skilled traders and proven trade strategies are not easy to access. So CFX makes the portfolios and skills of experienced master traders more accessible to everyday traders and beginners through copy trading. The expert advisors this company uses are loaded with functions that make it possible for them to verify, consult, and analyze hundreds of scenarios simultaneously. These programs can also execute trades faster than manual trading systems can, resulting in a higher volume of successful trades in a shorter period of time. By joining CFX, you will get access to exclusive training material, expert insights, and powerful expert advisors. And if you need any assistance, you can reach the CFX customer support team through one of their social media channels or by submitting a ticket from the Contact Us section on the website. CFX may seem safe and reliable, however, opening an account is always done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile. So be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend always reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of Cash Forex Group. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.